And again, we still have a tornado watch that is in place across basically our entire viewing area through 4 a.m. A watch means conditions are favorable, that it's possible we could see tornadoes. We have one warning that's just north of our viewing area, barely encompasses extreme northwestern sections of Knox County, Kentucky. But for the most part, it's traveling almost due east right now, headed between Corbin and the London area. Again, this is a confirmed tornado. We actually had a spotter report some power flashes and actually saw the visible funnel due to some lightning strikes around it. So let's get a little bit closer. Here's where our circulation is, right through here, northeast of the Burnside area. So again, it's probably going to stay just north of our viewing area, but if you know anybody between the Corbin and London area, especially along I-75, just west of that, give them a call, make sure they know what's going on, make sure they are in their safe space. Earlier, it looked like maybe just a little bit of debris could be showing up as well, maybe near the Dykes area as well. Again, moving towards the east. It may be trying to jog a little farther north of east as well. Again, if that's the case, it's going to stay just outside our viewing area, but I will keep a close eye on it. Let's focus back to the west. There's a line of storms that's approaching the Nashville area between Oak Grove, Clarksville, Pleasant View. That's diving to the south. So we can already see this line of storms starting to develop, kind of like what we were expecting. This is that one lone cell that I've been following back from Bowling Green, tracking all the way over towards southeast Kentucky. It's been right along the Cumberland Parkway really for the past 4 hours or so. But along this line, this is going to be a damaging wind threat, but can't rule out an isolated tornado or two along that line as well. So that line will dive southward as we get closer to that midnight 30 to 1 a.m. time frame. That's when it starts to impact our area. Most likely we'll see warnings along this entire line, severe thunderstorm warnings that could possibly produce tornadoes as well. So if a warning's issued for your area, please make sure you take shelter. Got a feeling that we will be on live and staying with you throughout the night until these storms move through, and that's probably going to be after about 4 a.m. the way it's looking. Should be a quieter start to Saturday morning, and I think the rest of Saturday afternoon is going to be dry. Still the potential for some hail as well, just about anywhere with this storm as it moves through overnight tonight, maybe 1 inch in diameter or greater. And we could easily be talking about some 1 inch plus rainfall total. So if some of that rain happens too quick, or in some of the same spots, we could be talking about some flooding. All right, so again, damaging wind threat's going to stay on the higher side here. Flooding, hail, tornadoes, and that medium threat as we go through the overnight hours. So again, just make sure you have multiple ways you can get alerts in case any are issued for your area. So timing again between now and 1 a.m., north and west, central sections between midnight and 3 a.m., and areas to the east probably after the 2 a.m. time frame the way it's looking. Again, greater risk, this level 3 out of 5, risk back towards the north and west, portions of the Central Valley, Plateau, and Kentucky. Elsewhere throughout the day on Saturday, it's breezy and warm. Temperatures low to mid 80s under a partly cloudy sky, and at times we're going to see winds gusting 25 to almost 30 miles per hour. So not a severe wind, but it will be breezy again behind this storm system as we go throughout the day on Saturday. By Sunday morning, temperatures staying muggy, low 60s by the afternoon. Probably more clouds than sunshine the way it's looking, and high temperatures will be in the upper 70s to low 80s throughout the day on Sunday. 7-day forecast looks like this. Limited rain chances, again, very early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, we'll be dry through the afternoon. If we see anything Sunday, it's a pop-up afternoon shower or thunderstorm. A little bit better bet of those scattered storms Monday and especially Tuesday afternoon into the overnight hours. That'll be a cold front approaching the area. As of right now, the timing doesn't look great for severe storms, but we will watch it. I'd say especially middle and west Tennessee during the day Tuesday has a better chance, but if this slows down or speeds up a little bit, then we may see a better chance. So just something we'll watch as we head into next week. Otherwise, behind that cold front, Wednesday through the second half of the work week, we're going to see some cooler conditions. Highs only in the upper 60s by Thursday. If you haven't done so already, it's a great time to download our free weather app. Just search Knoxville Weather in the Apple App Store or in Google Play. As you go through the setup, make sure you say accept or allow push alerts so you'll get notifications if a warning is issued in your area. And also a great idea and a good reminder, make sure it's not on do not disturb or silent. All right, now we have a tornado warning. It's for where, Connor, did you say? My producer's telling me. All right, let's see if that's going to include our area. So yes, so it's just going to be outside our viewing area right here. Our